Good morning, class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Students, yesterday we have completed lesson 8 of English language. Today we will start our lesson number 5, message in a bottle from English literature. Write down classwork, put the date, that is 26 August 2020, right? Today I will explain you the chapter. So firstly, let's read it out. Lesson 5, message in a bottle. A long time ago, two children, Meena and Ajay, lived in a small fishing village by the sea in South India. They were good friends and lived next door to each other. Their fathers were both fishermen. A long time ago means बहुत साल पहले. There were two children. Their name were Meena and Ajay. They used to live in a small fishing village near the seaside at near South India. Meena and Ajay were good friends. They used to lived next door to each other. They were neighbors, means they were मतलब वो पड़ोसी थे. And their father both of their fathers were fishermen. There was no school in the village, so the children built sand castle, chased crabs, swam in the sea, climbed coconut palms all day long. They had a wonderful life without any worries. There was no school in the village. Village means gaon. There was no school in the village, so they used to build sand castle, chase crabs, swam in the sea. They used to swim in the sea and climb coconut trees all day long. They had a wonderful life without any worries. No difficulties were there in their life. One day, they were playing on the beach when they found a large green bottle. One day they were playing in the ground, they found a large green bottle. With great difficulty, the children took the cap of the bottle. Inside it, they found a piece of paper. "What does it say?" cried Meena excitedly. With great difficulty मीन्स बहुत ही मुश्किलों के बाद उन लोगों ने वो बॉटल का कैप खोला. एंड दे फाउंड अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. "What does it say?" cried Meena excitedly. "I don't know," replied Ajay. "There is some writing on it, but we can't read." "Now, what does it say?" cried Meena. Now, Meena cried with excitement कि what does it say? क्या लिखा है इसमें, मतलब क्या है इसमें. Then Ajay's replies comes and he says, "I don't know. There is some writing on it, but we can't read." Why they can't read? Because there was no school, so they don't have any education. Okay, now let's move to our next page, that is page number 50. Okay, the children wonder what to do. Old Manu, the shopkeeper in the village, could read. He would be able to tell them what it said. They decided to go to him. They scampered along to the shop with the bottle and the paper. The children thought what to do. Then they remembered that old Manu, the shopkeeper of the village, he knows how to read. So they said they decided to go over there. and they scampered along to the shop with the bottle and the paper. Now they went running and with the bottle and paper. "Look, Manu," cried the children excitedly. "Look what we discovered on the beach." Now the children shouted excitedly and say, "Look, Manu, what we have found on the beach." Old Manu took the paper from the children. He put on his glasses and started to read. Old Manu took the paper from the children and he put on his glasses and started to read. Put on his glasses means he put his specs. Specs means, what does specs mean? Specs means specs जो होते हैं, glasses जो होते हैं वो चश्मा होता है. What was written in the bottle? "If you get this," said old Manu, reading from the paper, "please write to me. I am David and I live in a small fishing village in New Zealand. Here is my address." Now Old Manu now reads the message. "Please write to me." What was written in it? "Please write to me. I am David and I live in a small fishing village in New Zealand. Here is my address." Now it was a message from small David, who used to live in a fishing village in New Zealand. Okay, and he has written his address also in it. Old Manu pointed to the address of the paper. Now old Manu told him that David had written the address on the paper. Okay, "Here is the boy's address," he said. "This bottle has come all the way from New Zealand. It is country far, far away over the deep blue sea. You must write to David. He must be a small child just like you. Tell him that you have found his message." Now old Manu told him that David, the small boy, has given you the address. Now it is your and he stays far away from this blue sea, and he must be a small child like you, so he has sent you a message. The children looked down at their feet. They looked sad. The children looked depressed, sad. They looked sad. They looked down, and down their feet they were very sad. Okay, why they were sad, that thing I will explain you tomorrow. Okay, now your homework is, class, underline the hard words in your book. Okay, from lesson number 5. Okay, this is your homework for today, and that's all for class. Have a good day. Thank you.